What if I told you Apple's next iPhone could be the thinnest iPhone ever made? We're talking a mind-boggling 5.5 millimeter at its slimmest point that's almost as thin as a stack of 3 credit cards. Could this be the future of ultra-thin smartphones? Let's break it down. Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to our channel, your go-to source for the latest tech news and rumors. If you're excited about cutting-edge smartphone designs, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay ahead of the game. Today, we're diving into Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air, a super slim successor to the iPhone 16 Plus. Will it live up to the hype? And what sacrifices might Apple make to achieve this remarkable thinness? Stick around, you won't want to miss this one. So, what's all the buzz about? According to Ming-Chi, Apple's ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air will have its thinnest point at just 5.5 millimeter. To put that in perspective, the iPhone 6, once hailed as Apple's slimmest design, measured 6.9 millimeter. This new model, it's shaving off nearly a quarter of that. Traveling a lot, or you want more beautiful desk setup? Stop packing endless chargers. The Cuxiu X40Q and X55 Ultra 3-in-1 foldable chargers simplify your travel. Fast Qi 2 wireless charging for all your devices. Compact, powerful, and made for iPhone or Samsung users. Upgrade your travel game or your setup. Click the link below and grab yours now and save 10% with our discount coupon for all Cuxiu products. Travel smarter, charge faster. Imagine slipping it into your pocket. You'd have to check twice to make sure it's even there. There's a catch, though. That incredible thinness comes with a compromise. Say goodbye to a physical SIM card slot. Yep, it's eSIM only, which is no biggie in the US, but it might be a hiccup in countries where eSIM adoption is slower. Think of it like upgrading to a car without a key. Convenient. But it might leave some users fumbling for options. Now, here's the kicker. While the body might be razor thin, the camera bump is still a thing. Kuo says thinnest point carefully, hinting that the lens could protrude significantly. If it's anything like the iPhone 16's design, we're looking at a bump that could add extra thickness. To put it bluntly, your phone might be 5.5 millimeter, except where it's not. Think of it like a skinny pancake with a cherry on top, a delicious design compromise. What's inside this ultra-slim wonder? Rumors suggest some downgraded components to balance cost and size. And despite its thinner body, this iPhone 17 Air might come with a premium price tag. Though thankfully, reports of it being Apple's most expensive model have cooled down. It's expected to replace the $899 iPhone 16 Plus, but with rising prices across tech, who knows where it will actually land? Mark your calendars. Kuo refers to this as a 2H25 release, meaning the second half of 2025. And if history is any guide, that means a September launch. Apple's pretty predictable with its iPhone release cycle, barring any global curveballs like, say, a pandemic. What do you think? Would you trade some features for an ultra-thin design? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest tech leaks and reviews. Curious about more Apple innovations? Check out this video right here. Insert on-screen card. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Peace out.